Micron technology is pulling back sharply after one of the strongest runs in the semiconductor sector, as a combination of profit taking, insider selling, and cautious analyst commentary collides with broader market weakness. The stock's recent dip has ignited intense debate across the community. Some investors see a textbook buy the dip opportunity in a structurally bullish AI memory story, while others argue that Micron has simply moved too far too fast and may need to unwind further before finding a durable base. On February 4th, 2026, Micron shares suffered heavy selling pressure during regular trading hours, plunging as much as 8.82% intraday. A key catalyst was a downgrade from Alethea Capital analyst Warren Lau, who cut Micron to hold from buy without issuing a new price target. Lau pointed primarily to valuation concerns following Micron's explosive rally, suggesting that much of the near term upside tied to AI driven memory demand may already be reflected in the stock price. The downgrade landed alongside fresh disclosures of insider selling, which added fuel to the bearish narrative. Most notably, SVP Michael Charles Ray sold roughly $5 million worth of Micron shares on January 27th, a move some traders interpreted as a signal that executives view current levels as stretched. While insider sales can occur for many personal or financial planning reasons, the timing, after a massive run, was enough to rattle sentiment and accelerate short term profit taking. This pullback follows a stunning 45% gain in January alone, driven largely by enthusiasm around Micron's leadership in high bandwidth memory, HBM, and its central role in supplying AI data centers. With the stock having dramatically outperformed the broader market, many momentum oriented investors appear to be locking in gains, particularly as parts of the semiconductor space show signs of overheating. Trading volume during the sell off surged to more than 150% above average, underscoring the intensity of the rotation out of crowded AI trades. Adding to the caution, Micron is now trading approximately 147% above its 200-day moving average, the most extended level in the company's history. Technical analysts note that such extreme deviations from long term trend lines have, in past cycles, preceded meaningful corrections or prolonged consolidation phases. For more risk averse investors, this technical backdrop reinforces the case for patience. That said, the long term fundamental story remains intact. No company specific operational issues have been reported, and demands for AI focused memory products continues to outstrip supply. Micron is pressing ahead with aggressive expansion plans, including a $24 billion advanced memory fabrication facility in Singapore slated to begin production in late 2028, and an increase in fiscal 2026 capital expenditures to $20 billion. While this elevated spending could pressure free cash flow and margins in the near term, bulls argue it is necessary to secure Micron's position in what they view as a multi year AI memory supercycle. As a result, the community is sharply divided. Bulls believe the current weakness is a healthy reset after an outsized rally, offering an attractive entry point into a structurally advantaged AI memory leader. Bears counter that valuation, insider selling, and extreme technical stretch suggest Micron may need to correct further before risk reward becomes compelling again. In the near term, price action is likely to remain volatile as the market digests whether this move is merely a pause or the start of a deeper consolidation.
Okay, so the stock is down 11.73%. This is Wednesday, the 4th of February 2026. So far, 38 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average is around 31.378 million shares. Okay, let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Okay, let's begin with the daily chart. Okay, before that comes, okay, it's coming up. Yeah, and the line trend should be a strongly bullish one. Easily, it should be a strongly bullish one. Yes. Okay, before that comes up. Okay. Yeah, let's see whether we have an intraday low today. The loss is 12.77%. Yeah, it's coming up. Yeah. Underlying trend is strongly bullish, yes. And the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that this weakness will remain in place let's see, up till tomorrow, up to Friday, the 6th of February. Then we are looking at the prospects of a consolidation at least towards Wednesday the 11th. All in all, consolidation towards the 24th of February. Then after that, it's yeah, further leg down. Okay, that's what is being extrapolated for Micron. Okay, projections are currently saying 338.44. Okay, they're all downward projections. The stock is trading outside of its market grid, and we have potentially has a potential to test the highs of 457. What's its intraday all-time high? 438. So 457, between 457 and 380. That's the projection. That's the market grid is indicating. As a matter of fact, the stock is way below 380. We can see the intraday highs. Okay. So yeah, and it's currently outside of the market grid at 374. A rebound is if it's going to rebound, then it has resistance at 37811. Yeah, 37811. Yeah, it has a strong resistance there, and then after that we have 380, 390. So 378 is 378 is indicated as a strong resistance. So yeah, 378. Yeah, 378, and between 378 and 380, there is a strong resistance. There will be a strong resistance there. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart to see where it's trading right now on its market grid. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, it's saying that it might pick up a bounce towards tomorrow, midday tomorrow. Then after that, we are looking at further leg down, and then another attempt to expand. But it seems the 40 period moving average may prevent that from happening. So the 4-hour chart, it's within, this is its grid. The grid is between 400 and 360, and it's currently at 372. So it has a support around 370. 370. Do we have anything? I think yeah, and 370. Yeah, we did. What did we see over there? 378. Okay, no, I think that's an upward, that's a resistance. So 370 is one support it has there, but is it how, yeah, 372, 372, 370, yes, is a decent support. Yeah, it's currently at 372 now. Are we going to see a bounce? Is that why the algos are saying that we might see a bounce? So it has, yeah, you can see here 370, 372. It just the fact that we're seeing those sort of numbers repeated, those the numbers closely packed, numbers that are very much close by. It's an indication that we are looking at the prospects of a support, or rather a support and a bounce might occur there as well. We also have 366, 364, and 360. Yeah. But if it's going to reverse, we have 385, 389, and 390, 396. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have on its weekly chart. the weekly chart. No, okay, extrapolation is saying lower prices all the way towards the summer of this year. Okay, projects. I mean, market grid. Let's see where it is. What it's saying between 468 and 361. So I think that's also what we have on a 4 hour chart. 361. So it's currently at 372. So there's a support there, but it's not robustly re-emphasized. Okay, I think we've seen this sort of figures on the hourly chart or something like that. Okay, yeah. So that's what's trending right now. The micro stock is trending right now. Just see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.